Do you wonder what you can buy for $650,000 here in Southwest Portland? Stay tuned, I have just the perfect one for you. Welcome to 11025 Southwest Bones Ferry Road in Southwest Portland, which is minutes away from I-5 and the historic downtown Lake Oswego. The open living area is perfect for entertaining, and it opens up to one of 3 private patios for your outdoor enjoyment. The updated kitchen is complemented with stainless steel appliances and quartz countertops. Imagine dining in here with your direct access to your second patio, which is ideal for weekend barbecues or morning coffee. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has been freshly updated with new floors and fresh paint. The primary suite is your own retreat, complete with its own patio, perfect for peaceful mornings or relaxing evenings. The choice is yours. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact me today to schedule a private tour and see this gem for yourself.